In this video, we're going to go over the 2.5-gallon cordless air compressor. It has a maximum tank pressure of 135 psi and delivers 1.2 SCFM at 90 psi. For setup, all you need to do is set the regulator knob to the desired pressure. Do not exceed recommended pressures of any object or attachment you're working with. Do not use the compressor in wet conditions. Always operate outdoors in a well-ventilated area free of combustible materials, gasoline, or combustible vapors. If you're going to spray flammable materials, keep the compressor at least 20 feet from the spray area and at least a foot from anything that could restrict airflow to the ventilation openings. Store flammable materials in a secure location away from compressor. Never place objects against or on top of the compressor pump. Set the unit on a stable surface. Before startup, set the switch to off, set the pressure at 0, and connect the hose. Always turn the unit off and bleed pressure from the tank and hose before changing tools. Test the safety valve before operating. Pull the ring on the valve to be sure it operates smoothly. Turn the switch to auto on and set the desired pressure. Drain the tank after use. Set the switch to off. Remove the battery. Turn the regulator to 0. Disconnect anything connected to the hose. Pull the safety valve ring to release pressure down to 20 psi and release the ring. Open the drain valve at the bottom of the tank and close the valve when finished. At Sunbelt Rentals, we rent the tools and equipment customers need to accomplish anything they want to do. I hope this basic operational guide to our air compressor has given you all the information you'll need. For further information, please contact us at 1-844-SBR Tool. Thanks for watching.